Krabi. I hear Krabi is very much like Phuket or like the more Khao San Road area of Bangkok, but first impressions are so nice. It seems really like easygoing and fresh and green still. I'm quite quiet at the minute, we'll see what it's like later, but love it. So we're just gonna go to 7-Eleven and get some lunch, and then we're heading to the Tiger Cave Temple, and then we're gonna do the night markets. Forgive me looking absolutely disgusting. I've never been more hot. We're doing the stairs up to the Tiger Cave Temple in Krabi. This is how high I've climbed. It's not going to focus. We're high up on a mountain. I'm carrying water, which is good because you need water, but it's even more a slog. Yeah, I'm dead. You have to do a health check to come up here as well. Crazy. 3 flights left. Made it. Still have a few left. To begin with the descent. Such a small world when you meet people and they know people you know. And we're just on the boat to Maya Bay. Where are we now? Something Lagoon. This is our driver Sam, and he keeps telling us to get out and swim. But he can't swim. He doesn't like to swim. I can't swim. In my life jacket. It's a good time. We've just got the boat to Maya Bay. And it's so scary. The waves are mental, and our driver's like it's fine, but we're terrified. Made it to Monkey Island. Only just. These banana benches are the best thing I've ever seen. Go on then. Of course.